Hello, and thank you again for joining me on Common Sense Africa this day. I am Vivian Atud. I am excited to have you, all our returning viewers. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments. You keep encouraging us to do what we are doing. And if you are joining us for the first time, we are excited to have you, and we hope that we're going to add value to your life to move your personal development agenda forward, the agenda of your family or your society, the nation, the continent forward. We are excited to have you. Today, I will be sharing with you on a subject that is very, very important. A subject that is very important, and that is the subject of goal setting. I will be sharing with you today 5 tips. I know there are lots of books that have been written about goals, but I will bring down research, years of research and analysis, 5 tips that can actually help you set your goals in a way that can move your personal agenda forward, move the agenda of your family, your society forward. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, dream, dream, dream. If we pause for a moment and we think, we will realize that this human race and history has proven to us that we are a race that is capable of anything. We are a race that, if you look back from the time of the Agrarian Revolution through the times of the Industrial Revolution, through the times of science, technology, manufacturing, and all kinds of things, you would be able to see that human race is a race that has been able to send spaceships to space. We are a race that has been able to land on the moon. This race has built skyscrapers. This race of humanity has been able to move all kinds of development. We have transplanted organs from one human being to another successfully. The human race has shown that through science and technology and development, we are able to cure diseases that killed a lot of our ancestors before us. So if you think about it, you will realize that the human race is capable of doing anything that they dream of. Today we are able to use smartphones because at some point in time, it was only a dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream about your personal life, your finances, dream about your health, dream about your family, your community, because it is in dreaming that you are able to bring to this existence what is only imagined, what only exists in the world beyond. You are able to create it from imagination, from dreaming to reality. Dream, dream, dream. Tip number 2. The tip number 2 is write it down. The Bible tells us that write down the vision, make it plain so that others may run with it. Write it down, because that vision may even be bigger than you. That vision may be bigger than your generation. It might be an intergenerational dream. Dream about an Africa where poverty is eradicated. Dream about your family. Let your dreams be big. Write it down, because once you write it down, then you begin to take the next steps about coming up with action plans that are able to implement this dream. Tip number 2, write, write, write. And tip number 3, which is also very, very critical, make your goals smart. Make your goals smart. SMART is an acronym that has been used in various areas of life, and they stand for S, saying your goal must be specific. Let this goal be specific. Make them time bound. Make them measurable. Make them actionable. And I'm going to add today, make your goals even smarter. Come up with an evaluation plan. Come up with rewards for yourself. When I realize, let me say you were setting a goal and say, I want to write a 30,000 page book in economics. That is being specific. How specific can you be is a question someone will ask. Don't just say, I want to write a book. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Don't just say, I want to do this. Say, what is it specifically you want to do, and time bound. By what time? I want to write a 30,000 page book in economics or in this area of life by the end of 2021. And like I said, let your goal come up with realistic. Tell yourself that every day I'm going to write 500 words towards my book. So those are some of the things. In other videos, I would elaborate on these making smart goals. If I don't, someone who is a regular viewer reminds me, I'm going to make a video on that. I promise you. And tip number 4 in the area of goal making, it's that transform your SMART goals into daily habits. Successful people have proven through history that the most successful people in life have habits. They have habits that they do. You wake up at the same time, for example, almost every day. You do specific things that are most important for you. You have a to-do list. Develop these habits of writing every day or exercising every day, cooking this kind of food every day because of my health. This is the kind of food I want to be cooking. So those habits are the things that you practice on a day-to-day or you do on a day-to-day basis that will help you realize. So have habits, have daily habits that you are able to monitor and evaluate at the end of every week or at the end of the month to see how far you're going towards goals. And the last tip I would like to share with you today is apply the 80-20 rule. Take 20% of your most productive time to apply it to doing your goal. I will explain in other videos more about the 80-20 rule, but this rule is about telling you that there is the science has proven that 80% of your time is spent doing things that can add only 20% value to your life. So spend that most productive 20% of your time doing the things that can add 80% value. So 20% of your time, spend it doing the most important things that are in your life, and that will add 80% value. I hope you're gaining some values from what we are discussing today. Tips that can help you set goals. Number 1, dream, dream, dream. Tip number 2, write it down, write it down. Tip number 3, make it smart. Tip number 4, develop daily habits. And the final tip number 5, you are able to use and apply the 80-20 rule. Thank you for joining me on Common Sense Africa this day. If I'm making sense to you, if I'm adding value to your life, click subscribe. I would like to hear your comments. If you have questions about goal setting, put them in the chat. I would like to keep producing more valuable videos. If you have any areas that you would like me to focus on,